brain tumor, either benign or malignant tumor. Something must have happened in the life of that person. The lifestyle the person lives before the time is one of the reasons why the brain tumor occur. One, the person must have been taking a lot of carbonated drinks. The person must have been used to alcoholic drinks. The person is actually used to taking milk and milk products, especially dairy products. The person must be very, very used to beer and cold water or cold drinks. And the person is also sleeping naked under the fan or an AC. The person is also very used to taking coffee. What is the main cause of this brain tumor? There are some network of neurons. The main component of the brain is the neurons. And these neurons is always serviced every 90 years. So if the nutrient the brain needs, it does not circulate well, it was not supplied to the brain. The neurons of the brain also have some tiny network of blood vessels around it that supplies nutrient to those neurons. Like I am saying that every organ in your body, every cell in your body has the capability of continuous renewal on daily basis. When you talk of continuous renewal, even when you finish bathing, if you scrub your body or you scrub your armpit, you find out that you still have some dirt. The reason why this happens is because your body system is exposed to about 3 liters of matters. 3 liters of matters enter your body every day in form of water, in form of food, and in form of air. So those 3 liters of nutrients must also come what may. That is the reason why you remain the same every day. Even if you eat pounded yam that is as big as this place, the following morning you remain the same. So what we are saying is that the nutrient from the food is the only thing that is extracted into your body that has the capability of making those other cells that are dead and worn out to expel out of the body in form of feces, in form of urine, and in form of sweat. So if this thing, we call it perspiration. Thank you, sir. We have to calm down very well. What we are saying is that when all these toxins are not eliminated in the body, like if you are exposed to a very chilled water now, you are increasing the adherence of those toxins to your body cells. So it is certain that the permeability of your cells will be affected. And like in the case of men, the nucleus that controls the physiological activities of the sperm of every man will be deactivated. When all these things happen in all the cells, the body is already highly toxic. The body is already highly toxified and highly, the level of your toxins is too high. And if you don't have enough antioxidants, like vitamin D that you need to be getting from the sun on a daily basis, like your vegetables and fruits, what you eat mainly is cooked food. The major nutrient from cooked food has been boiled and they are already damaged. So if you take a lot of fresh fruit and vegetables, because you are naturopathic professionals, if you take a lot of this, at least 3 times of vegetables, of fruit, of grain leaf, living food every day. When you take those 3 times, it will be able to extract enough original glucose from those fruits that will be able to nourish the 4.8 grams of glucose needed every 1 hour into your brain. When the brain is well nourished, the brain will have the capability of extracting those toxins that are getting trapped inside the neurons of the brain out of your body. But when the nutrients are not enough and you are living a kind of rough life, those things accumulate. And those toxins, remember, your body pH level has now changed. The body pH should be between 6.5 and 8.5. When the pH is not within that range, probably is low, that is acidic. If it's too high, it's too alkaline. If it's too alkaline, the person will be whitish. When the person is low, you'll be feeling sickly all the time. Malaria, typhoid, I have pains, I'm feeling weak, always getting tired on daily basis. The person will not be fine. That is one of the reasons why we give kudos to the organizers of this program. I know that the Lord of Heaven will reward them. What we are saying, in essence, is that those toxins that are in your blood and that are there to the neurons of the brain that are not expelled out of the brain, we start clustering. And when the body system see that there are toxins clustering here, they will start joining.